Hi, this is attorney Steven Spano.
And I'm attorney Andrea Witt with a legal and financial minute or two. So many people contact us with questions about selling their home that we decided to dedicate several segments to it. In our first segment, we're going to discuss your four major options. 1, selling yourself without a broker. 2, selling with an online-only service. 3, selling to one of those companies that claim that they buy anything. And 4, selling through a traditional real estate broker.
Before you start, you should have an experienced attorney to represent you, since you will be signing documents that are difficult to impossible to understand, and you don't want to bind yourself to something you cannot undo.
The first option is to sell the house yourself without any assistance other than that of your attorney. This is the option that normally only makes sense when selling to a family member, and no marketing of the property is necessary. Of course, you should always be sure of the current market value of the property and not rely on the tax value in your tax bill, as that is often far below the market value.
And that's a mistake many people make. The second option is to use an online-only service that only takes a very small percentage, but there's no people involved. It's all done online. We don't recommend these services because it requires you, the seller, to do all the legwork, including showing the property to prospective buyers, which can open you, the seller, up to a lawsuit because of something you say or do when showing the property to prospective buyers.
The third option is to select one of the companies that advertises that they purchase distressed properties. Our experience with these companies is that they only offer 75% of a reduced value, not even the actual market value. As a result, sellers may end up with far less than they would through any of the other options. We'll discuss this option more in a future segment.
The fourth and final option is to sell through a real estate broker experienced with selling real estate in your city or town. While this option will require payment of a commission to the broker, the commission is small and it's negotiable, and the broker has incentive to get you the highest value as quickly as possible, since they'll receive a percentage of the value of the sale, and the sooner the property is sold, the faster they'll get their commission.
Options 1 and 4 are the two that we favor because they get our clients the most money in the fastest amount of time with the least complications.
The moral of today's legal and financial minute or two is that you have options to sell your home. What you see on TV or in billboards about quick sales may be misleading and, by the way, cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Remember, all lawyers and law firms are not the same. Seek out an expert law firm to protect you and your family.
We hope this legal and financial minute or two has helped you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
If you have something you would like us to address in one of our segments, or have any questions on this or another legal or financial topic, feel free to call or text Spano and DeWicki at 781-231-7800 or email us at help@spanodewicki.com.